Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to teach UKG EVS. Today our topic is animals around us. What's the lesson name? Animals around us. Children, we see many animals around us like cow, dog, cat, okay, rabbits, rats, birds. We will see many birds, crow. Around us we are seeing the many animals. Okay, Nana? We see many animals in nature. We see many animals around us and in nature also we will see. Okay. Some animals are big. Some and other animals are small. Small creature animals also there. Animals are many types. They are domestic animals, wild animals, pet animals, and water animals, and so on. Animals are many types like wild animals, pet animals, domestic animals, and water animals, and so on. Okay, Nana? Let us continue what are the differences between the domestic animals, what are the domestic animals, what are the pet animals, what are the wild animals, what are the pet animals, we will learn. Okay, Nana? See here. Domestic animals. Domestic. D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C. Domestic animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Domestic animals. Domestic animals and pet animals. P-E-T pet, A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Domestic animals and pet animals shall we discuss now. Okay, Nana? Domestic animals, some lives in near our houses and surroundings. Domestic animals are used for our use only we are using the domestic animals. They are called domestic animals. Cow, buffalo. What will cow and buffalo gives the milk? Cow and buffalo gives the milk. Okay. Here, cow and buffalo gives the milk. What is pet animals? Pet animals are we will keep some animals as pets. Some animals we will keep as pets. We love our pets. Okay, Nana? Here, buffalo, cow are domestic animals. Here we will keep some animals we will keep as pets like dogs, cats, parrot, rabbits. Okay, Nana? We will keep pets, some animals as pets. Some animals we will use for our uses only. Milk we will use for curd, drinking buttermilk, like that. Milk also for using ice cream. So it will milk is made of milk products many. Okay. Next, duck, hens. Duck and hens give the eggs. Duck and hens gives the eggs, Nana. Which purpose we will use duck and hens? It will use the eggs. Next, sheep. Sheep will give wool. Sheep will give us wool. We are wearing the sweaters, no? Sweaters, monkey caps will use, no? They are come from sheep. For the skin, sheep skin will remove and we will make the wool. Okay, Nana? For which purpose sheep was using wool? For us making the sweaters and monkey caps are made by wool. Next, goat. Goat is made. Goat will give us meat. Goat will give us meat and milk also. In some areas, goat milk also some people will drink. Meat. Most of the people will eat meat. Okay. Goat meat is healthy for us. Okay. Some people will eat milk and some people will eat meat. Some people will drink milk of goat. These are the domestic animals, and pet animals or some animals we will some animals uses as pets. We love our pets. We love our pets. Dogs, cats, parrots, and rabbits. Peacocks also somebody will. Peacock, pigeon. Okay, Nana. We play and enjoy with them for fun. Pet animals are using for our play and enjoy with them for fun. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our IMALS. Wild animals. Wild animals live in the forest. Wild animals are live in the forest. We can see the wild animals. Some animals will try and keep in the circus, and some animals we can see in the zoo. Okay, let us start with elephant. 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 Elephant is a huge animal, big animal in the forest. It has a long trunk with big ears, with short tail. It has a trunk also. You can see here. You can see here the elephant. Okay. Next one. Next animal, wild animal is tiger. 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 Tiger is our national animal. Okay, it lives in the forest. It eats the flesh of other animals also, Nana. Tiger. Okay, next going to the next wild animal, lion. 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 Lion is the king of the jungle. It has a huge body, Nana. That's why it is the king of the jungle. Okay. Next, giraffe. 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 Giraffe has a long neck, Nana. Long neck. It eats only leaves. Okay. It does not eat the flesh of other animals. It eats only leaves. Okay, Nana. Next, this is giraffe. Next, rhinoceros. 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 Rhinoceros lives in both water and on land. Okay, Nana. It has a long horn on its mouth. You can see here, horn on its mouth. Okay, it has long horn on its mouth. Horn. Okay, next, wolf. 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 It is a cruel animal, Nana, in the jungle. It eats the flesh of other animals. Okay, it looks like a fox, but it is wolf. Okay, Nana. WOLF. Wolf. Next one is zebra. 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 Zebra has black and white stripes on its body, but it looks like a horse. Okay, Nana. Horse and donkey. Similar, Nana. Okay, but it is not donkey and horse. It is zebra. Okay. Next, going to the next animal, deer. bear. It is also having long hair on its body. You can go see here. In your textbook you can see. Bear. It eats the flesh of other animals. Okay. Next, going to cheetah. Cheetah. CHEEATAH. CHEETAH. It looks like tiger, but it is the fastest running animal in the jungle. It's run very fast. It can climb up the tree very fast, Nana. It can very fast animal, running animal in the forest. Okay, these are the wild animals. Elephant, tiger, lion, giraffe, rhinoceros, wolf, zebra, bear, cheetah. Next, going to water animals. WATER, water. ANIMALS, water animals, Nana. Water animals, some animals live in under water. Okay, they are called water animals. Water living animals are called water. Okay, water animals. Okay, here fish. FISH, fish. Fish is water living animal. It has vitamin D. Weekly once you can eat fish, means it is good for our eyes. Fish oil is also available, Nana, in the markets. You can use, means it is good for our health and skin also, Nana. Next, going to the next water animal, whale. WHALE, whale. WHALE. It is the big, huge animal, water animal, Nana. Wild animal, huge animal, big animal, what? Elephant. While in the land, in water, whale is the big animal. Okay, in the water, whale. Okay, Nana. Next, starfish. Next one, water animal is star. STAR, starfish. FISH. Starfish. Starfish, Nana. It is available in aquarium shops. You can see most aquarium. In some houses aquariums are there. They will keep. Okay, for show purpose. It is not for eating, Nana. They won't eat the starfish. Okay, it is only for show. Okay, Nana. You can mostly see in aquariums, oceans. We can see, Nana. Next, crocodile. 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 It is a cruel water animal, Nana. It is very cruel, Nana. It lives in water. Sometimes only it lives on land. Okay. It won't chew. It is not able to chew the food. Okay. Flesh. It will swallow. Snake and crocodile will swallow the food. Okay, Nana. Next one is crab. CRAB, crab. Crab, mostly we can see this one in seashores, Nana. Seashores, it has 6 legs. Some people will eat the crabs also. Next one is frog. FROG. Frog, it can live both land and in water. Okay. It eats insects. What's the food of a frog? It eats the insects. Next, octopus. Octopus lives under the sea. Okay, under the sea it has eight legs. Now it has 8 legs. It looks looks like jelly, Nana. Jelly, it looks like jelly. Okay. Next one is seahorse. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Seahorse. It looks like a horse, but it is not horse, Nana. It is a special animal in the sea. A male seahorse gives the birth. Okay, actually female will give the birth, but seahorse will give, male horse will give the birth. Next one is snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. Snail. See, it is a very small creature. Okay, Nana? They do not have, they carry the back shell. They carry the back shell on its wall. Okay? See here. Mostly we can see near the seashores. Okay? Like tortoise, shell is down there on its back. It carries. Okay? Water animals. Fish, whale, starfish, crocodile, crab, frog, octopus, seahorse, snail. Today we completed, Nana, animals around us. Animals are around us. Some animals live in big and some animals are small. So many types are there. Domestic animals, pet animals, wild animals and water animals. Domestic animals are used for our usage only. We will use the domestic animals. Pet animals, we will love our pets. We keep some animals as pets for enjoy and fun play with. That's why we will keep the pet animals. Wild animals live in jungle. Next, water animals we will see in water. We completed